Welcome back to the Knowledge Economy Success Blueprint. We have workshops, problems, exercises, events, and a live challenge coming up very soon. And today we are moving forward with workshop number 5. It's all about market research for information products. I have a multiple choice problem for you to solve. And I recommend that you go through the theory first. This is the page on the blog. And more specifically, I suggest that you go through information products, understanding information products, and market research for information products, and new sections coming your way soon. And I also decided to separate theory from practice because this page is too long, is getting so big that I have problem in managing it, and so I'll host workshops on another page, and the theory will stay right on this page on the blog. So go through the theory first, and then you can try to solve this problem. And if you solve it correctly, there are huge prizes and bonuses for you hidden inside. So let's get started with workshop number 5. So let's see. Workshop number 5, multiple choice problem in the health and wellness industry. So that's the problem, finding the best information product format in the health and wellness industry. This is the scenario. You are tasked with creating a new information product for the health and wellness industry. However, the format of the product, eBook, online course, webinar, or other is yet to be determined. To make the best decision, you have conducted detailed market research. Now, based on the data you've gathered, it's time to decide which format will most likely succeed. Your research has provided insights into current industry trends via influencers, reports, and market predictions, target audience preferences gathered from surveys, polls, and social monitoring, tools and methods used for gathering data, including Google Trends, survey platforms, and customer feedback. So, this is the data of the problem. Available data that we have due to our research. So, just a minute. I think it's better now. So, we have analyzing current trends in your niche. So this is data from your research. Influencers and key players' opinions. They suggest personalized health plans, lifestyle coaching, guided programs, and hands-on support. Industry reports show at-home fitness solutions, mental wellness support, short-term, easily consumable content. The trends: quick workout routines, mindfulness techniques, nutrition planning tools. Key market predictions: digital wellness coaching, mental health support, interactive and community-based formats. Historical data show video-based and interactive courses, fitness, nutrition, meditation themes. Competitors' strategies: mix of free webinars and short online courses, community-based programs, and recurring subscription models. Let's move on to the next set of data. Understanding your target audience's pain points and desires. Survey results from existing customers show that 60% prefer visual content and structured, easy to follow programs with checklists and templates. Polls and interviews from diverse audience. New prospects, self-paced learning and community interaction. 75% prefer short, actionable content like guided workout routines and nutrition plans. Competing products gaps: general health advice but lack personalized, adaptable tools. Not focusing enough on blending community interaction with educational content. social monitoring data, wellness programs with accountability, coaches, progress tracking, and interactive solutions. And the next set of data, tools and methods for effective market research. Google Trends, at-home fitness, mental wellness, short, easy-to-access programs. Survey platforms, tools that provide instant value such as interactive videos, downloadable resources, and progress trackers. Focus groups and forums, peer support, and ability to track progress within a structured program. Social media, hands-on coaching through live sessions or community Q&As, questions and answers. Keyword research, high competition for long-form articles and ebooks. Less competition for bite-sized, video-based content with interactive elements. Customer feedback and reviews, practical, easy to implement and ongoing support within wellness products. More engagement than static ebooks or passive content. So I suggest you go through the theory and more specifically understanding information products and market research for information products. In the first section you'll find all the types and formats of information products that we use. All these, the role of information products in the knowledge economy, why creating information products, and market testing. And also there are also case studies. So this problem will be moved to the workshops page. And market research for information products, there is a prologue and the framework, identifying market needs, competitor analysis, and validating your idea. Today's problem is focused on identifying market needs, and this section is includes these subsections: analyzing current trends in your niche, the first set of data, understanding your target audience's pain points and desires, the second set of data, and tools and methods for effective market research, the third set of data. So I followed this framework, I give you data for you to solve this problem, and I also give you a tip to help you a little bit at the end. So these are the options, 4 options. The question is this: based on the data provided, which information product format would be most successful? Let me remove myself here. Which information product format would be most successful for your health and wellness business? Option A, format eBook with in-depth guides on mental wellness and fitness. Justification for this option: industry reports show a growing interest in mental wellness, and keyword research indicates high search volume for these topics. Customers appreciate structured content they can refer to. Option B, format a series of live webinars on nutrition and fitness with downloadable templates. Justification for this option: influencers suggest that personalized health plans are in demand, and Google Trends shows a spike in nutrition and fitness topics. Live webinars create interaction and accountability, which social monitoring confirms as a priority for users. Option C, format a short, interactive online course with community features combining videos, progress trackers, and peer support. Justification: survey results show that customers prefer visual content and community interaction, while social listening highlights the need for accountability. Combining tools like videos, trackers, and community engagement addresses these needs. And option D, format a static blog series focusing on mindfulness techniques with detailed guides. Justification: Google Trends shows an increase in mindfulness searches, and existing competitors have not fully saturated the blog space. Articles and guides could provide in-depth coverage of trending topics. So these are the 4 options. Which one is the best? and I give you a little tip to help you out. Key considerations for solving the problem. Trend alignment. Consider both short-term and long-term market predictions, focusing on interactive, community-driven formats. And audience preferences. Data shows that audiences want visual, interactive content combined with community support. So that's today's problem, and you'll find the answer in 24 hours inside the members area. How you become a member, it's very easy. You can sign up through the page, through the Knowledge Economy Hub. If you sign up here with your email and your name, a password will be mailed to you, because the membership area is a password protected page, and you'll find the button for the membership area when you sign up. The password will be mailed to you, so you'll be able to enter the membership page. Just when you enter the page, when you enter the password to get in the page, just refresh your browser for the best optimal visual experience. So that's it, and you can also alternatively become a member by visiting the membership page and then don't log in, don't try to log in. This button is for administrators, editors, authors, contributors. Don't worry about that. Just go to the Business Growth Hub and sign up with your email, and you'll find the membership button on the next page, and the password will be mailed to you. So that's it. Good luck. In 24 hours I'll be sharing the answer inside the members area, and I can't wait to see you in the next workshop, and I'll be adding more theory as well. Now we'll be moving forward with more problems and exercises regarding market research for information products, because it's a very extremely important topic. Market research leads to innovation. Go through the theory first and then try to solve the problem. That's it. Good luck. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.